I don't remember the exact day, but it was last week.
Anyway, no matter. This is the puddle coming from the refrigerator. If you notice to the right of it, it is pouring water out of the corner of the refrigerator. You see the dripping from the refrigerator itself. This is what it looks like in my refrigerator. If you notice, everything is soaking wet. It is dripping from the top of the freezer, straight down the back, pouring all over my stuff and the shells, and these are the eggs that are soaked. Everything in the fruit and vegetables is flooded. What's the name of the company, Jolie? Rachel? This is Where's Appliance. And there is the number of the refrigerator on the side. Each shelf full of water. Soaking wet, all on the bottom. Pouring the cheese right back in the back. There's water in it. There's water down the top there. You can see it leaking right there from the top. And that's the setting it's on, 7. Should be on 5. All our stuff is sweaty.